Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here today because I'm playing along with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life Round 7, and today is day number 4. Today's sketch is by Allison Davis, and it's in combination with the Challenge Accepted series by Shannon and Kathy. This is a sketch that they provided, I believe. Anyway, you can see tons of hexagons all the way around the layout. So this should be fun. This calls for 2 photos here. I'm going to be different. I'm only going to do 1. So I pulled this one of my granddaughter wearing her very, very cute reindeer ears from a long time ago, from December 2015. And she also has her reindeer nose around her neck. Yeah, but she's still cute. So that's where I'm starting off with. And these are the papers that I have pulled from my February 2020 Counterfeit Kit Challenge Kit. I have tons of reds, if you will, maroons, reds. There's some beige in here. What parts of these I'm going to use, I don't know yet. I'll figure it out as I go along. I don't know if I'm going to punch out all those hexagons or not. We'll see as time goes by and whether I make them that small. Also into this, I am bringing this stamp set. I don't know, with all of these patterns, I may not need this. So we'll see. I also pulled out my dies, and these are from Tonic Studio. And you can see there's a ton of them, but if I follow along the sketch, it would require using probably this next to the smallest one. I pulled in some ephemera bits and pieces. I pulled in a couple of alphabets, a larger one in my stash from Sticko, and also a small one from Recollections. Now these were not in my kit, but I pulled them because they match the papers that I pulled. And so far that's all I have pulled to go along with this, because if I follow that sketch completely, you know it is going to have a ton of embellishment just as it is. So we'll see where I go with this. It should be fun. So give me a minute. I'll show you a close-up of the sketch if you want to play along, and then I will come back and show you what I have completed. So give me a second. Okay friends, I'm done. I have completed the layout. This is the sketch, and you can see all these hexagons around here, and I did not realize when I pulled out my die set they weren't hexagons. They were octagons. They're 8-sided. So yeah, my stamp set didn't work. I did pull in an additional piece of paper into this to go with the already, I think, 5 papers. I had pulled these 2 washi tapes out as representation of what I wanted to use, and then I didn't end up using them. I used something different. I did use both sets of alphabets, and here's what I have left over as far as pattern paper goes. 1, 2, 3, that's the back side of that one. There's 3, 4, 5 sheets of paper, and those are all the octagons that I cut out with that. My stamp set, like I said, I could not use it because these are hexagons and then the others were octagons. So here's the layout that I created, and you can see I used everything that I had pulled out to use, plus I pulled in some additional bling to use around here. That's an additional chipboard piece. That's an additional journal spot. I started to journal directly on the paper and I messed up. So easy fix, I just covered up with the little journal spot. But you can see I put the words down, and then I just built little butterfly clusters and gems around each of the butterfly clusters and words. Nothing super fancy, just something fun. And you can see I used 1, 2, 3 different washi tapes there, and then here as well. I felt like when I left this space down here, I created a pocket closed in here, and I did the same thing here because I have this closed in space, and I'm not really happy with that. But if I could use whiteout and go over and fix my journaling, I would. And I still may go in and just put some journaling strips down with some maybe cream cardstock to hide, or maybe go up here and start my journaling up high, because in the sketch you have your journaling that starts out above the photos here and your title goes below here. So with my title down low here, I can lift this word up and put my journaling across there, and then I think I'll do that right now. Now that I am thinking about it, I just told you, I was just joking. I just said this was done. I lied. And then I will cover that where I started misspelling Highland. Put it there. Just toss that one. I guess I could have saved it for the back side, but now I need to find a spot for my date, and I'll just put it right down here. Nope, I'm going to put it right here. December 2015. And you know, that's something that you always risk whenever you handwrite on your layouts. You just have to have a plan, or come up with a plan after the mistake is made, on how you're going to fix things. So you can see I like this better. This space is now, even though it's closed in, it feels normal because this area is also closed in. So you have that branching, if you will, there. And I could actually move that down and put it here, closer to these the butterfly here, which I will do that as well. And I will put that right. I'm going to put it up all the way over like that. There we go. That makes me feel better. So now I have a big gap here and an opening that goes around here, opening and opening here. So those gaps are filled in. I hope I'm making sense to y'all, because sometimes when I'm recording late at night, I say late at night, it's 10 o'clock at night. Sometimes when I try to explain things, it doesn't always come out just right. So yeah, I hope it's working for you. Anyway, that's today's layout, and I will see you tomorrow for the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye. Don't forget, I'm going to show close-ups of the layout at the end of the video. Bye-bye.